And welcome back. So let's start off with the almanac in this weathercast right now. We did reach a high temperature of 81 degrees after a low of 41 here in North Platte. Normal temperature for this time of year, a high of 75 and 43. So we're well above our high temperatures by about 6 degrees today. No precipitation. That is really going to be the story as we make our way through the next few weeks. High temperatures across the region at 81 at Ogallala, near 80 at Lexington, 83 at Imperial, and mid to upper 70s for highs today as you make your way from Broken Bow and points off to the north, including out toward Thetford and up toward the Valentine area. Current temperatures look like this. We're at 55 at North Platte, mid 50s at Hyannis, Thetford, Imperial, upper 50s at Ogallala, Lexington, and at Valentine. So there's your wind, mainly from an easterly direction. The high pressure system to our north kind of in charge, but we do have very light winds out there, wind speeds between 5 and 15. And as for the Doppler radar, nothing much to see here, just a few clouds getting into the panhandle. Other than that, we do have mainly clear skies, and mostly clear skies are going to be the story through the overnight. Lots of sunshine over the next couple of days. So we actually do have 3 high pressure systems in charge of our forecast. This one off to our north, giving us that easterly wind at the surface, but we do have a high to our south. In the upper levels, we do have that wind mainly from a southerly direction. So that's pumping in warm air. A little frontal boundary is going back and forth. This will eventually move off to the east, and we're going to have another high in charge of our forecast that will give us a lot of sunshine, and eventually a southerly wind will warm us up pretty nicely. So temperatures, as we make our way through later on to the evening, continuing to fall back through the 50s. Now, we're going to have lows into the mid to upper 40s, and for the day tomorrow, more of a southerly wind, but temperatures will be down a couple of degrees. We're going to be into the mid to upper 70s, a little more humidity tomorrow. As for the day on Thursday, we're starting off near 50 with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. And then as we make our way through later on to the afternoon, we're into the low to mid 80s out there. Still a lot of sunshine, most of the moisture really missing us off to the panhandle. And it's going to be the story through most of the week as they do have the best chance of picking up some rain as we make our way through the end of the work week and through the weekend. So this high pressure system is going to crest over us, move off to the east, and then another low will move off to our north. The frontal boundary will set up. Most of the moisture will stay off to our west as we continue to have this high in charge of our forecast, giving us the sunshine and more of a stronger southerly flow. So temperatures will remain on the warm side. Let's take a look at the latest on Hurricane Ian. Now, this is the summary as of 10 o'clock Eastern time. It is about 120 miles southwest of Fort Myers, which is about right here on the map. Sustained wind still around 120 miles per hour, but it's starting to angle toward the coast. It was moving northerly earlier on today, now moving northeasterly, still about 10 miles per hour. So we have about 12 more hours before it does hit between the Fort Myers and Tampa area. Here's what it looks like on the map. Now, as we make our way through the rest of the overnight, it'll continue its northeasterly track and hit Florida at about 125 miles per hour. That's still a Category 3 hurricane, but it will weaken as it moves over Daytona Beach, Orlando, up toward Jacksonville. It falls into tropical storm territory, and then it does become a tropical depression and start to rain itself out over portions of the Carolinas. So we'll keep our eyes on this one. For us, we've got calmer weather for tonight, clear skies and cool. And temperatures will be into the mid-40s, sunny skies and windy as we go through the day tomorrow, to the upper 70s to near 80, and a little breezy, but still sunny and warm for your Thursday, as temperatures will be into the low to mid-80s. Now, extending the forecast, we are back to 80 on Friday, but mostly sunny, 82 on Saturday, still mostly sunny and partly cloudy Sunday, near 80 as all the moisture misses off to the west. Mostly sunny Monday with a high of 75 and just a slight chance of some showers on Tuesday. Otherwise partly cloudy and a little cooler with a high of 72. Kent?
So some nice weather, but we are, like you said, seeing those breezes pick up here over the next couple of days.
Yeah, a little breezy to windy, but that'll keep us warm.
Okay, thanks so much, Justin. And the Nebraska State Patrol is reminding you that there are several options to report suspicious activity through their If You See Something, Say Something campaign. The campaign works in conjunction with the Department of Homeland Security and works to empower and educate the public on the importance of